How to find QR code on Discord PC. So if you want to find QR code on your Discord PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now you just need to simply go with the Discord option. Once you go with Discord, you can just click on Open Discord, which is on the top right. And once you click on Open Discord, then it will have you login kind of interface, right? If you've not logged into your account, then it will show you a QR code. So that's the QR code. And you need to just go with your mobile device and then scan the QR code from your mobile device, and you'll be logged into your account. But if you want to get the QR code inside the Discord on your PC, then we don't have that option. That's only possible on mobile device, but not on PC or laptops. So if you go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left, and go with logout option, which is right here, let's go with logout. And here you will have the QR code, right? So you just need simply scan this QR code from your mobile device. And once you scan this QR code from your mobile device, then you will be logged into your account. So that's how you can find the QR code in your Discord PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.